DIY electronics and precision tasks has created a growing need for soldering magnifiers that offer clarity, control, and convenience. Whether you're working on circuit boards, jewelry, or micro repairs, the right magnifier can make or break your work. In this guide, we evaluate soldering magnifiers based on lens magnification, LED lighting, stand stability. List 1. Magniopti Helping Hands Soldering Station. 10 times magnifying glass with light and stand with 4 magnetic arms. The Magniopti Helping Hands Soldering Station is a dream setup for precision soldering. With a crystal clear 10 times magnifying glass, 4 magnetic flexible arms, and integrated LED lighting, it makes delicate tasks feel effortless. The magnetic arms are strong yet adjustable. Listen up. 2. Drdefi Helping Hands Soldering Station. 10x square magnifying glass with light and stand. Drdefi's soldering magnifier takes things a step further with its square 10x magnifying lens, offering a wider view of your workspace. The LED ring light around the lens provides uniform illumination, reducing eye strain and enhancing detail clarity. The adjustable gooseneck and helping hands give you control over angles and object positioning, making it ideal for electronics. List 3. XYK Helping Hand Soldering Station with 3x magnifying glass with light. 4 flexible helping arms. If you're seeking affordability without compromising on function, the XYK Helping Hand Station is a solid pick. It includes a 3x magnifying glass, 4 flexible gooseneck arms, and bright LED lighting, which makes it great for general soldering or inspection work. While the 3x lens isn't as strong as 10x models, it's sufficient for mid-sized tasks. The flexible arms are firm and hold their position well. List number 4.3-inch digital microscope for adults. SKYEAR coin microscope, 1000x magnification. For those needing extreme close-up detail, the SKYEAR 4.3-inch digital microscope offers up to 1000x magnification, making it a fantastic crossover tool for soldering inspections and electronics debugging. The built-in screen eliminates the need for external displays. List number 5. TOMLOV DM9 7 digital microscope. 1080p 1200x coin microscope magnifier. 12 MP ultra precise. The TOMLOV DM9 digital microscope is a premium grade magnifier tailored for professionals. With a 7-inch LCD screen, 1200x magnification, and 12 MP imaging, it delivers ultra-precise visualization for solder joints, microchips, and PCB diagnostics. Its large display and adjustable stand make it an excellent inspection station, and the HDMI/USB output lets you record or live stream work.